Yo, what's up guys? We finally made it. We've got up to the Troodos mountains. So we're gonna take a look now and see what's all this about. We found the waterfall. We're gonna go and check out the waterfall. My partner in crime, she just changed into her sneakers, into her trainers, because they say it's gonna be a treacherous path. So let's see how it is. Let's see what's going on. Walk with us. Okay, what's up guys? We're here. The bus couple 22, we're in the building. Okay, so we're about to go and check out this Troodos Mountains waterfall.
We're in Platres.
Platres. Yeah guys, so this is a map. That's a nature trail apparently, so we're here. Follow the pink line. And that's where we're going. I want to see sights like this and sights like that. So hang on to your hat. Let's go. We've just started on the trail and already we're getting monumental views. Check it out. Don't forget guys, what goes down must have to come up, what goes up must have to come down. So this is bus couple 22 and we're doing it round.
I can hear it.
Okay, you can hear the waterfall, babe?
Yeah.
Shh, she can hear the waterfall. I can hear it too. It's not too far, but hey, it's about to get treacherous. It's about to get treacherous. Can't we just go that way and have a coffee instead?
No.
Okay. We came to do it, so we're gonna do it. Let's do it. At least there's enough boulders and stuff in the way that will break your fall if you did fall. You have to pick your foot root carefully. See what I'm saying? Pick your foot root carefully. Yo, that was the first, but not the last, I'm sure. I like to keep my wife energized. Come on, baby. Not my fire. Yes, darling. So I was looking We say come on to oncoming traffic.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay guys, we're nearing the spot. I can see water, so something's happening for sure. Okay, bro. No, I'm not walking faster. They could go past with it. I can follow them. Okay, guys. Unfortunately, there's no signage saying this way. But what we do, because we're obviously elite in the forestry division, we're following the way the water goes. Mind you, the water's coming from up there.
Let's keep going this way.
Let's go this way. If we've got any survival fans that are watching this, please tell us which way we should be going. We should be going upstream or downstream. But obviously the waterfall's going to be at the bottom of this, right?
I would assume so.
So we're going to keep going down. But remember, what goes down, you have to come up again. So always bear that in mind. You alright, Mr. C?
Yes, Mr. C.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Tell me if you want to take a rest, babe.
No, I'm good.
Keep your eyes on the flies.
Looking on the floor.
That's it. Don't look through the viewfinder.
I'm not.
Look at the floor.
Yeah.
The viewfinder will get you etched up. Okay. You alright, darling?
Yeah. You?
You're fine. The treacherous ahead of us, darling.
Sure it's not the way up. You go around the back.
I don't know. Let me stand here and have a look. I don't know. Just go slow. Yo!
Maybe it's that way.
Yo! There's a few steps here, baby. So use the steps, yeah? Well, kind of steps.